Entertainers will delight in hosting events on the massive deck showcasing picturesque views of the pond and golf course. Step inside to amazing updates, new open floor plan, added windows and doors to show off views, bright kit. West/new quartz countertops, tile backsplash and LG. Open bar seating. New stainless steel app, new HWD floors. Downstairs, enclosed room off of kit. To create a eating or family room area. Home offers 5 bedrooms with owner's suite downstairs, large walk-in closets, and second floor HVAC unit new 2020, INT paint.